Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it. Do not forget to like and share, and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my latest videos. In today's video, we'll be learning about polynomials. Not fully about polynomials, we'll be learning about the basics required for studying polynomials, whatever you require before you go for studying polynomials. So today's video is about the basics of polynomial. First of all, you should be knowing what is an algebraic expression. Before learning about polynomials, you should be knowing what is an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a combination. A combination of what? It's a combination of constants, then variables, and constants and variables, they are connected. But how are they connected? They are connected by some or all of the four fundamental operations. The constants and the variables are connected with the help of some or all of the fundamental operations. What are the four fundamental operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you see constants and variables connected with the help of any of the four fundamental operations or all of the four fundamental operations, then it is known as an algebraic expression. I'll tell you a few examples of algebraic expressions. 2x square y minus 5x plus 6. You see, it is a combination of variables and constants, and there is multiplication here. You see, there's multiplication and there's subtraction, there's addition. So the fundamental operations are used. So 2x square y minus 5x plus 6 is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression. See, there are variables x and y here. Even x is there, x square is there, and there is a constant 6, and then I'll tell you the next example over here. 2xy minus 8. Again, there is a combination of variables and constant separated with the help of a minus sign, which means there's subtraction over here. Even this is an algebraic expression. The third example, y square z plus yz plus 7. Again, it is a combination of variables and constants separated with the help of a plus sign, which means there is addition over here. These were a few examples of algebraic expressions. Now, I have been telling you constants, variables, constants and variables. Many of you do not know or might not be knowing what is constants and what is variable. So, let me go for that first. A constant, as the name suggests, it is a fixed numerical value. Here you see 6. Then here minus 8. It's not just 8. Many students commit mistake over here. They say just 8, which is wrong. It is minus 8. Over here you see 7 plus 7. These all are fixed values, fixed numerical value, fixed number. So they are known as constants. Such kind of terms in any algebraic expression is known as the constant. What are variables? Again, as the name suggests, it is a symbol. It is a symbol or a letter which can take various numerical values. It has no fixed value. It can take any kind of value. Say for example alpha, then beta. These we'll be using in our 10th standard mostly. Then gamma. Then here you see we have used xy, yz. Not y on y, just y, z, or x, y. You can also take a, b, c, etc. It is just a symbol. Variable is just a symbol that has no fixed value. It can take any numerical value. Sometimes you can say like x is equal to 2. Somewhere you can say that a is equal to 3. Somewhere you can say that m is equal to 4. There's no fixed value, right? It has various values. It is a symbol which can take various numerical values. Again, the same x or the same m or the same a. In some other sum you may see same x is equal to 5. So there's no fixed value for these letters, for these symbols. There's no fixed value. But can you say 7 is equal to 2? Can you say that? No. Or can you say 7 is equal to minus 2? That doesn't happen because it is a constant. It has a fixed value of its own. I hope you have understood this. Now let me move on to the next topic. Now I'll tell you what is a polynomial and why I've told you so much about algebraic expressions. Now you'll understand why I've said so much about, not so much, very less about algebraic expression. Actually, a polynomial is an algebraic expression. That is why I first covered our algebraic expression. I first explained about algebraic expression. So polynomial is an algebraic expression which contains one or more terms, one or more than one terms. A polynomial is an algebraic expression which contains one or more than one terms also can be there in a polynomial. Now let me tell you a few examples so that you can understand better. Here you see 3x plus 5 is a polynomial. 7x square minus 6x plus 1 is a polynomial. Even 6x is a polynomial. Again, if you want to take some other example, 6x plus 2x square plus 3xy plus 7x plus 8. Even this can be considered a polynomial because there's, here you see there's one term, there's two terms, and there are three terms over here. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So it contains, polynomial can contain either one or more than one terms. So these are algebraic expressions and they are polynomials. Now I'll tell you a few types of polynomials. There are a few types of polynomial based on the number of terms. Here there are two terms. So what is that called? Here there's just one term. What is that called? So based on the number of terms, there are a few types of polynomials which I'll teach you now. First is monomial. Monomial is that polynomial which contains just one term, only one term. See, x, it's just one term, it is a monomial. 3x is just one term, thus it is a monomial. 4x square y. Don't say now here there are two terms, they are not separated with a plus or minus. It's just one term. ABC is one term. Okay, so this is a type of, these are a few types of monomials. Now binomial. What is the meaning of bi? Bi means two. Therefore, if a polynomial consists of two terms, then it is known as a binomial. Here are a few examples. X cube minus y cube. Then you see here 2x plus 3y. There are two terms. You see there's here one term, here one term. Here one term, here another term. Here again one term, here another term. So these are a few polynomials with 2 terms. Thus, they come under binomial. Trinomial, as the name suggests, 3 terms. Here you see x cube plus y square minus z square. There are 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 terms. Even over here you see x plus y minus y. 3 terms. Therefore, they come under trinomial. These polynomials consist of 3 terms. Therefore, they are trinomials. Again, if a polynomial consists of 4 terms, it's a quadrinomial. But we won't be using that much. We won't be saying quadrinomial and all. If a polynomial consists of 5 terms, then it's just polynomial. 5 terms, 6 terms. As it goes on, we do not have a particular name. We do not use such names, any particular names. So we just say in common polynomials. And for 4 terms, we say quadrinomial. But generally these days, even that is considered in that category, in this category. With these people, it comes. Okay. Now, degree of a polynomial. The types of polynomial based on the degree. Here, I taught you the types of polynomial based on the number of terms. Do not get confused. Here, the types of polynomial based on number of terms. Here, degree of a polynomial or type of polynomial based on the degree. Now, what is the degree? Highest power. Of what? Of the variable in a polynomial. The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is known as the degree. Okay. Let x be a variable in a polynomial, say p of x. So, the highest power of x in p of x is the degree. I hope you have understood. Let me repeat again. Consider x to be a variable in this polynomial p of x. The highest power of x in p of x is known as its degree. I hope you have understood now. Now, based on degree of the polynomial, we have a few types. First is linear polynomial. If the highest degree of the polynomial is 1, if the highest degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is known as a linear polynomial. See in these examples, root 3x, the highest degree is 1. Here, y plus root 2, highest degree is 1. X minus 4, again here the highest degree is 1. So these kinds of polynomials are called linear polynomial based on the degree. Okay. Now, quadratic polynomial. As the name suggests, if the degree of the polynomial is 2, if the highest degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is known as a quadratic polynomial. Here there are a few examples. Y square plus 2 minus x square, 2 minus x square plus root 3x. You see here, y square minus 2, highest degree is 2. In this, here the degree is 1. Here the degree of x is 1. Here the degree of x is 2. Now, which is the highest degree or which is the highest power? 2 is the highest power. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. Now, coming to cubic polynomial. If the highest degree of the if the highest degree of the variable in the polynomial is 3, then it is considered to be a cubic polynomial. In these examples, I hope you can understand. Y cube minus 2, the degree is 3. X cube, it is a cubic polynomial. Based on the number of terms, it is a monomial. But based on the degree, it is a cubic polynomial. Here you see 3x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1. Here the power of x is 3. Here the power of x is 2. Here the power of x is 1. Which is the highest power? 3. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial since The highest power of x is 3. 3 is the degree of the polynomial. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial. In our upcoming videos, we'll be learning about the 10th course in polynomials. And thank you and goodbye.